Welcome to EngineeringAll.com YouTube channel. Please like and share our videos, subscribe to this channel, and turn your notification button on for more videos. Thank you.
How to make chocolate candies from cocoa seeds, home production approach. If you are a lover of chocolates, this video will be very useful to you. Many people love chocolates not just because of the taste but rather their nutritional values to the brain, but only a few among these regular consumers understand the real source of chocolates and their production process. There are hundreds of products available today in the provision shops with chocolate included either as part or as a whole ingredient. The products' chocolate inclusion can be sensed from their unique taste. However, these products seem to be expensive. The fact that chocolate candies and other chocolate products are becoming expensive is the reason why some chocolate lovers cannot afford those products or lower their consumption due to cost. We will be showing you how you can prepare your own chocolate locally at an affordable cost and use the chocolate to prepare candies and any chocolate mixed products. The idea is to know how the chocolates are made and how you can prepare yours at home and customize the taste to suit your need. This video demonstrates the simple processes in the making of chocolates which you can do at home. The process is the same with industrial processing of cocoa into chocolates. It is important to know first of all that chocolate is a product of cocoa seeds powder. With this knowledge at the back of your mind, let us proceed to discuss the production processes involved. Steps in the process of making chocolate candy from cocoa seeds. First, you need to source cocoa in any amount you can afford. Second, break the cocoa and obtain all the seeds inside. Third, dry out the liquid moisture in the seeds using direct sunlight or any artificial means. Fourth, use a dry frying pan to fry the dried cocoa seeds further to eliminate any form or trace of moisture. Fifth, grind the dried and fried cocoa seeds to powder using a mortar or a blender or any grinding device. Sixth, add sweeteners such as sugar or flavor of your choice and grind them together. Ensure they are all in powdered form. Seventh, at this stage, you have got your dry chocolate which you can use to make any chocolate product. For chocolate candy, mix the chocolate powder with a few drops of water and add any of your favorite additives or simply avoid the additives. The new substance should form thick liquid chocolate. Pour it on the candy molder. Allow it to spend some minutes to solidify. Once it has solidified, your chocolate candy is ready. Conclusion. There are other products you can make with the powdered chocolate you produced from the cocoa seeds besides the chocolate candies. You can make chocolate ice cream, chocolate sweets, chocolate yogurts, etc. The same chocolate powder can be used as your breakfast tea when mixed with milk and sugar.
For watching, please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Please follow and like EngineeringAll.com in all social media.